How to start coding to get placed. Introduction. It's a scary time to be a coder. There are so many job openings, but it can be hard to stand out from the crowd. The problem is that most people don't know how to code. This is why I am going to show you some of my best tips on how to get placed as a programmer. Learn how to code. The first step to getting placed is learning how to code. There are plenty of resources out there, but the best way for you to learn is by finding a project or area of interest or just being interested. Once you have an idea of what kind of work interests you, it's time to start learning. The next step is applying directly through companies who want top talent in their industry. You can find these jobs at company name or try searching for them on LinkedIn or Twitter with the #HashYourFeed hashtag. If none of those options work out, here are some other ways. Learn some basic syntax, structure. Learning some basic syntax, structure and using a debugger will help you to get your code written faster. A good place to start is by learning the following. Syntax. This refers to how code is written in a certain programming language or framework, like Python, JavaScript. It includes all rules that govern writing programs, such as how variables get their values and how functions work with other variables. Structure. The structure of an application consists of classes, methods, attributes and fields, static, dynamic. Classes are data structures used for creating objects. Methods perform specific tasks within an object. Attributes describe things like data types, while fields may contain information about each individual instance of something like an array or dictionary item. Get any resource you need. Use the internet. The internet is a great place to find resources on how to start coding, and it's also a great place to find code samples that can be used as templates or even copied. Use a tutor. If you don't want or cannot afford one, there are plenty of online tutors who will help you learn coding basics and give feedback on your work. These sites typically charge money per hour but sometimes offer free trial periods so you can try out their services before committing financially. Read books about programming languages like Ruby or Python, which are both popular options when looking for jobs in this field because they are simple enough for beginners but powerful enough for experienced programmers too. Find a project or area of interest, or just being interested, and start learning it. It's important to find something that interests you, but also something that could be used by others. Take a look around your office or school and see what projects are being worked on. You are bound to find something interesting. If not, see if there is any sort of group activity which could lead you down this road. Find a company that wants to hire you, then apply to them directly. The process is better than ever. Find a company that wants to hire you. Learn how to code and get placed. Conclusion.